Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how we can create a playlist on YouTube and also how we can customize it. Alright, so make sure to log into your YouTube channel. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on your profile image, go down and click on YouTube Studio. Now go to the left sidebar and click on this one, Playlists. So to create a new playlist on YouTube, we're gonna go up to the top right corner and click on this one, New Playlist. So now we need a playlist title. So just name your playlist. So just name it to whatever you like. And after that we have this visibility. So we have public, private and unlisted. For now we're gonna set this to private. After that we're gonna click on create. Okay, so here we have our playlist. So now we're gonna click on this one, edit on YouTube. So now we're gonna customize our playlist. So you can change your playlist name at any time by clicking on this one, edit title. So just change the title and then click on save. So then we have this drop down menu. So we can choose public. So anyone can search for this playlist and view it. We have unlisted. Anyone with the link can view. So you can send a link to anyone and they can view this playlist. Or you can choose private, only you can view it. So we're gonna choose public so other people can watch and search for this playlist. After that we're gonna click on these three dots. And now we're gonna go and click on add videos. So we have three options to add videos. We can do a video search. Just click on search. And now we get this search result and you can add videos. So let's say I want to have this one and this one. Alright. After that, just go down to the bottom left corner, click on add videos. And this will add videos to your playlist. If you want to change this thumbnail, you can choose a video. So let's say I want to have this video as a thumbnail. Just click on these three dots. Go down and click on this one, set as playlist thumbnail. And now we can see that we have a new thumbnail. Alright, we can also go to the three dots, click on add videos and choose by URL. Just add a URL to your video or click on your videos to add videos from your own YouTube channel. So let's say I want to have this, this and this. Let's go to the bottom left corner, click on this one, add videos. So now we also have videos from your own channel. And just click on the three dots one more time. Now we can click on add all to. So that means we can add all the videos we have in this playlist to another playlist. So let's say I want to add it to this one. If you go back to my playlist overview and update, we can now see that these videos also have been added to this playlist, YouTube playlist. If you go back and click on the three dots, we can also add this one, collaborate. So collaborate. Collaborators can add videos to this playlist. So turn this on and now you will get this URL. So you can copy this and send to collaborators so they can add videos to this playlist. And after that, just click on done. Alright. So let's go back to the three dots. Go to playlist settings. So playlist settings, allow embedding. So this allow people to embed your playlist on their websites and things like that. Alright. We also have add new videos to top of list. So if I check this one, so this will add your video to the top of this playlist. We also have this one, set as official series for this playlist. So that means if you have like how to make a website part 1, 2 and 3, that's an official series. And then you should not add those videos to another playlist. So they should only be in this playlist. But this playlist is not an official series, so I'm gonna uncheck that one. After that, just click on done. And then we have this one, description. So to edit description, just click on this edit description icon. And now we can add a good description about this playlist. Just add a description about this playlist, and after that just click on save. And then we have this one, sort. So you can sort your videos by date added, newest, oldest, most popular, date published, newest and oldest. Alright, so let's say I want to have date added, newest. So this will organize your playlist by date added newest, alright? We can also go to this one, the 2 lines next to the videos, click on it and organize it this way. Just move it around like this, if you want to have it in another position. And if you want to remove a video from your playlist, just go to the 3 dots. So we got this one, remove from this playlist, just click on that. And this will remove this video from this playlist. Alright? If you'd like to share your playlist, just go to this icon, click on share, and now you get these options. You can use this shareable link to your playlist on YouTube, just copy it, and you can share it wherever you like. Or you can click on embed. To embed this on your website, just copy this iframe code and embed this in your HTML code on your website. Alright? Or you can share it on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Alright? And if you don't want to have your playlist anymore, you can always go and delete your playlist. So to do that, make sure that you're in the playlist settings. After that, just go to this one, the 3 dots, go down and click on delete playlist. Then you will get this pop-up, delete playlist. Are you sure you want to delete this playlist? Note, deleting playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Alright? And when you delete your playlist, your videos in the playlist will not be deleted, so you don't need to worry about that. So to delete this playlist on YouTube, just click on delete right here. I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna click on cancel. Okay everyone, so this is how you can create a playlist and how to customize it. Please subscribe if you like this video and comment below if you have any questions. Okay everyone, so I hope this video solved your problem. Don't miss out on my latest video right here. Just click on this image. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.